As I say, I'm going to do a cheaper cheaper webinar next Sunday. It's just £9, and it will be repeating the first Blue Energies webinar, which was included, and same way as we worked with the jaw today, there's also a movement of the hands and feet that activate through the body and the diaphragms. But we will be starting at the bottom of that circuit, which is the vagina, the penis and the urethra, and that produces the sexual potency that rises through that circuit and heals through the whole body. And it will also include the other organs, the bladder, the kidneys and adrenals. And last week it did seem to really get a fantastic breathing motion in the kidneys. The profoundly healing webinar. So if you wish, you can come to that for £9. Yeah, so that will be there. I'll speak more about that in our next newsletter, and you can go on to do the whole series. Normally, if you just want to do it separately, it's £14 and then £8 for every webinar. So the series at £29 is much cheaper, but you can do that for £9. And then if you want to carry on and do the whole series, and you'll get a recording of the last one of that, and then 3 more webinars after that, it will still be just £29 in total. So special bargain offer next Sunday.